Hello friends, how are you all? Today I am going to unbox this Karcher K2 compact which I have purchased from even Batuta mall in Dubai. So the kit consists of one 4-meter hose, water filter, one gun, and high pressure, the dirt plaster, and the unit itself. This one is the new model. The model is new and this is manufactured in April 2019. Some special discount was going on. I have taken it for around 299 dirham, which is equivalent to 5400 Indian rupees. So I'm going to unbox it. It's only 4 kg in weight. This one is owner's manual with couple of informations, product registration that we have to do online. Keep it on side. So you can see the gun itself. The hose pipe, which is 4 meter long. One 750 psi with both side nozzle tips. The first gun, which is pressure gun. This one is dirt blaster. This is very high pressure. And the unit itself. And we have a nipple. This unit is really very compact, very small. You can see my hand is approximately 7 inch, 7 14. This is, you can say, 1 feet by half feet. It's really very compact. It comes with the 3-pin rectangular plug with the 13 ampere fuse inside, and the cable is quite long. Here we have connection. I think the filter is there inside. So here we have detergent pipe. So simply we have to dip it in the detergent vessel, and it will automatically suck the detergent and it will make the foam. See, you can see it, a filter is already here. Yeah. And while using the detergent pipe, you have to simply dip this pipe in the detergent vessel, and don't use any of these guns, any of these nozzles. Just use this gun only, so that you can spread the detergent, the washing liquid on the all around the surface of the car or the bike, whatever you want to wash. So this is what I got in the complete kit. It's really very compact, easy to handle. This is the new design launched in April 2019. Here we have on and off button. Here is connection for the high pressure nozzle.